Yeah, low budget. Yeah, low budget. Yeah, low budget. Yeah, look, glow hitting different when you walk in the room. 40 plus fire, watch the energy bloom. Weight drop, mindset lock, when you did that. Every setback flip, now you taking it back. Camera on, vibe strong, talking truth with the crew. Every woman in the comments saying, girl, me too. You the voice that be reminding us we beautiful still. Ain't no limit on the glow when you move with will. Say, celebrate your wins, sis. Every step, every try. You show the world that transformation starts inside. Hello, gorgeous. Look at how you rise, shining from your spirit and the fire in your eyes. Woman, your power, walking in your truth, so free. This is your moment, your glow, your energy. New day, new chapter, show the journey with grace. Telling every grown woman she can reclaim space. You inspire with the laughter, inspire through the pain. Showing us that elevation always starts with your name. Makeup or no makeup, baby, you're the blueprint. Living in your purpose, not just talking about improvement. From the health to the heart to the soul reset. Every lesson that you share is a jewel we get. You lift the room, you lead the way. You give us hope on our hardest day.
Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and get into this detangling process. I am using some conditioner, and the tool that I'm using is something that I got from Temu. Now this is a different type of brush. As I am brushing my hair, and I'll show you a little bit later, but it is moving along with my hair, so it's not pulling on it. Now the reason why I'm doing this is so I can detangle and get the fairy knots out. I've had a whole lot of fairy knots from using that little spin brush, the one that you use to clump your curls together. And yeah, so because I was using it so much and not really detangling my hair every night, I develop a lot of fairy knots. So I know I'm going to have hair breakage. I know I will do better. So this is why I'm doing it now. And as you can see, your girl has a whole lot of shrinkage because my hair did not look like this when it was dry, right? So water and product stretches my hair out. As soon as I rinse it out, it will shrink back up. But I will show you my blow drying process because I do need to blow dry my hair, even though I don't like to. But I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it with another tool that I will show you in a little bit.
Want you to fall in deeper. Pour your joy, now you me so. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We're playing cause we know this feeling's new. I'm feeling up, down, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu.
Girl, not me trying to gather all my curls up and put it in a little bunny tail. Look at my little bunny tail in the back. Yes, I told you my hair is longer in the back than it is in the front. Now I can't do that in the front now, so you get that little bunny tail in the back. All right. I did lose some hair, of course. I will show you. Yes. I'm pulling it all out of the brush, and I'm going to show you like how flimsy and flappy the brush is. And like I said before, I got it from Temu, so it glides with your hair, so you're not actually pulling on it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out, and then we're going to get right into the blow drying process. But my hair does feel a whole lot better, and yeah, keep detangling, ladies, so you don't lose your hair. Now, I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video, but I will be using this type of comb. You can get this from your beauty supply store. I'm using clips, and I'm going to be using some banana clips. Always keep these in storage, and they are very useful when you have short hair or long hair. So those are the little banana clips I'll be using to keep my hair spaced apart. All right, so now I'm going to add some leave-in conditioner, and we're going to go ahead and get into the hair drying process. It does smell so good. I love that coconut smell. Okay. All right, now this hair dryer is a little bit different. Now, this is a hand tool, and it has bristles, and this is good for stretching your hair out, but of course my hair is not as long like it was before when I first bought this. But I am just here just to blow dry it out and stretch it out just a little bit, because if I don't use this and I blow dry my hair, it's just going to shrink down, and I don't want it to do that. Okay, so we're just going to go around and just get it a little bit stretched out. Now, the purpose of this is to make sure that the product sticks to my hair, and it's better when it's dry versus wet. All right, so I transitioned to the bathroom. This is a three-way mirror that I got from Amazon. A lot of the products that I'm saying that I got from Amazon will be in my Amazon storefront. The link will be pinned or in the description box. Easy to find, okay? And yeah, you can go ahead and purchase some if you like. I do get a little commission. But look at the little hang time, girl. Look at that. Yeah. So I used the product, a little bit of it, and this is how I 3-strand braid, not twist, but I'm just using the product and putting it into little sections, and I'm braiding the hair out. Yes, I got hang time. Watch out. What TWA? Shrinkage is real over here in these streets. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the process, but also, this is a good mirror, you know, especially if you're doing this by yourself. There is another way that you can see the back of your hair, but I will tell you that in another video. You will just have to turn on your post notifications. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, because I do all things lifestyle. I am a vlogger, and I do fitness content because I was on the GLP-1, and I do beauty. So I do everything, and some of it is in vlog style. All right, so now I'm going to show you a close-up of how I braid my hair, just in case you want to know. You know, I'm coming along quite well here. All right. Just keeping it nice and tidy and straight. Now, my parts are not going to be perfect, again, because I'm doing this by myself. But, hey, I don't have to spend money at all to anybody when I can just do it myself. All right, so now we are done with the back of the head. Yes, girl. It took me, I think, 2 hours to do that, maybe. But I forgot I did set the timer before I started braiding. So, yeah. It's 1:20. I need to take a break. Now I'm getting ready to do the hair. Okay. So I'm getting ready. So this one is going to be put in at the top, and then these are going to be put in the back. Hopefully I have enough hair. All right. So let me eat. 160. No, not yesterday. One pack of hair down. Now we're getting ready to open up pack number 2. But I think I'm going to like mix it up a little bit. I don't know. Yeah. I'm going to mix it up with a little bit of black and burgundy. So 1 pack of hair completed the whole back. Okay. Wait. Is this part of? Yeah, this is part of the side. Okay. So yeah, so we got that down. This hair was a little bit difficult because this is my first time doing this. I'm not sure exactly what you call this style, but my youngest daughter always used to get this style of these because they're so long, right? I just cut it like that, and then I just wrap it around so it hides your own braid, right? So you don't want this to show. So I wasn't really getting the whole technique of it, and then you seal it with spritz. All right, you remember Pump It Up back in the day in the early 90s. You can tell when somebody got their hair laid, fried, dyed, fried, and laid to the side because you can smell that Pump It Up. But you get a flat iron and you like kind of seal it, and I let the flat iron sit too long, and as you can see, it's like very thin right there. I started burning the hair. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and finish, do the mixing of it, then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so we got one side down, we got to get the other side. I'll be back to show you how I do it when I get up to right here. But yeah, this is no different than what I used to wear with the other Bob Marley braids. I did wanted it shorter. I wanted it like right here, but I know, oh my gosh, that hurts. I'm gonna want to pin it up, get it out my face, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got the hang time. I got the hang time. I whip my hair back and forth. Okay, girl, I'll be back. I'm looking different already, right? I'm looking 10 years younger.
Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Hey, I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Babe, sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now, yeah. Need to know that you okay. Okay, with everything I gave up for you. Did it for love, no escaping. Heart is taken, I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby, deep down? I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it.
me stop it. The timer. So it took me 5 hours to do this. I did stop a few times, not to like just rest, but I did stop a little bit, you know, to eat a little snack. And then I kind of slowed down when I got to the front. So my grip is kind of tight right now. I did leave a little bit of edges out, a little bit, because for one, my temple, I lose hair real fast, so I pulled out the little bit of hair and whatnot in there. But other than that, yeah, girl. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.